I have absolutely got my hands full in the shop today. This thing is amazing. Everything on this car, I'm not even going to show you. I'm sorry. It's blown, it's amazing, it's fast as fuck, and I got to do the exhaust, and I have no room. Can I get it done? I don't. So this one was a real difficult one. This is an axle back, but it took me 6-7 hours. He wants it to go over the axle. Coming out this side, right over here, coming down here, and coming back over here, and dumping out right over here. That side's not a problem. I can get 3-inch pipe, 4-inch pipe over there, whatever. Here's the problem. Here's our muffler coming out right there, and then we have absolutely no room in here. I have 3 inches between this and that. I have 3 inches. First thing we're going to do is fix these exhaust hangers. Pull this exhaust another 1/2 inch to 1 inch for the customer's preference. From the axle back. You want it just tucked right up under there. It goes down here. It goes to a V-band clamp right there. Up over the axle. Back down into the muffler. Same thing over here. Boom. Over the axle to the V-band clamp. And then out down here. That's what we got. Nice looking exhaust.